Hey everyone! Did you know there's a type of garlic out there that's as sweet as molasses and as dark as chocolate? It's true! We're talking about black garlic, and let me tell you, it's about to become your new favorite secret ingredient. This isn't some newfangled science lab creation. Black garlic has actually been around for centuries, treasured in Asian cuisines for its unique flavor and amazing health properties. It's like garlic's cooler, more mysterious older sibling. It's got all the goodness you love about garlic, but with a whole new personality that is just so yummo. So what exactly is this magical ingredient? Well, it starts out as the regular old white garlic we all know and love. You know, the kind you chop up for your pasta sauce or roast with some chicken. But through a special process, it transforms into something completely different. The cloves turn a deep, inky black color. They become soft, almost jelly-like, and super easy to spread. And the best part? That sharp, pungent bite of raw garlic is totally gone. Instead, you get a complex, sweet, and savory flavor that's hard to describe but so easy to fall in love with. The real magic is in how it's made. Think of it like a very, very slow cooking process. Fresh garlic bulbs are placed in a special environment where the temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. This isn't a quick pan fry, folks. We're talking about weeks, sometimes even months, of slow and steady aging. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, breaks down the sugars and amino acids in the garlic. This is what gives black garlic its signature dark color, soft texture, and incredible taste. Unlike fresh garlic, which can sometimes be overpowering, black garlic has a much more mellow and sophisticated profile. Imagine notes of balsamic vinegar, a little bit of tamarind, and maybe even a hint of dark caramel. It's sweet, it's earthy, and it has that delicious umami kick that makes everything taste richer and more satisfying. It's the kind of ingredient that makes people ask, "Wow, what's in this?" It's your new secret weapon in the kitchen, and trust me, once you try it, you'll be looking for any excuse to add it to your meals. Now, let's get to the really good stuff. Why is everyone calling black garlic a superfood? Well, that slow aging process I mentioned does more than just make it delicious. It also supercharges its health benefits. While regular garlic is already a nutritional powerhouse, the transformation into black garlic unlocks even more goodness. The compounds in garlic change, creating new, powerful antioxidants. We love antioxidants because they help protect our bodies from damage and keep us feeling our best. It's like giving your body its own little team of superheroes. One of the biggest stars in black garlic is a compound called S-allylcysteine, or SAC for short. That's a bit of a mouthful, right? But what it does is simple and amazing. This compound is much more stable and easily absorbed by our bodies compared to the compounds in fresh garlic. SAC is a powerful antioxidant that has been studied for its ability to support heart health. It can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support good circulation. So, adding a little black garlic to your diet is a tasty way to show your heart some love. How great is that? But the benefits don't stop there. This little black gem is also fantastic for your immune system. We all want to stay healthy and fight off those seasonal sniffles, right? The antioxidants and other beneficial compounds in black garlic can help give your immune system the boost it needs to stay strong and resilient. It's like a delicious all-natural defense shield. Plus, because it's gentler on the stomach than raw garlic, more people can enjoy it without any digestive discomfort. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your well-being. So, when you hear the term superfood, black garlic truly earns the title. It's not just about one single benefit, it's about the whole package. It's packed with antioxidants, supports a healthy heart, boosts your immune system, and it's easy to digest. It takes all the well-known health perks of garlic and cranks them up to a whole new level. Eating healthy shouldn't be a chore, and with black garlic, it's an absolute treat. You're not just adding flavor, you're adding a powerful dose of wellness to every single bite. Okay, you're sold on the health benefits, but how do you actually use this stuff in your everyday cooking? It's so much easier than you think. Because the cloves are so soft, you can literally just smash them with a fork to create a paste. One of my favorite quick tricks is to mash a few cloves of black garlic with some softened butter. You can then spread this amazing black garlic butter on a piece of crusty bread, melt it over a hot steak, or toss it with some steamed vegetables. Delish! It's a 30-second trick that makes you look like a gourmet chef. Ready for another simple idea? Amp up your salad dressings. Whisk a mashed clove of black garlic into your favorite vinaigrette recipe. Just combine it with some olive oil, a splash of balsamic or apple cider vinegar, a little Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The sweet, umami flavor of the black garlic will balance the acidity of the vinegar and add an incredible depth that will make your salads disappear from the bowl. It's a simple swap that takes your boring old salad dressing to a whole new level of yum. Let's talk main courses. Black garlic is a fantastic addition to marinades for meat, chicken, or fish. Its sweet and savory notes work beautifully with just about anything. Try mixing mashed black garlic with soy sauce, a little honey, and some ginger for a quick and flavorful marinade for chicken thighs or salmon fillets. You can also just chop it up and toss it into your favorite pasta sauce, stir-fry, or soup during the last few minutes of cooking. It will melt right in, adding a subtle richness that makes the whole dish taste like it's been simmering for hours. And don't be afraid to get creative. You can spread black garlic paste on a pizza crust before adding your sauce and toppings. You can mix it into hamburger patties for the most flavorful burger you've ever had. You can even blend it into dips like hummus or a creamy aioli for a mind-blowing appetizer. The possibilities are truly endless. Start with a small amount, give it a taste, and add more until you find that perfect flavor. It's all about having fun and experimenting in the kitchen. So let's wrap this all up. We've journeyed from a regular head of garlic to this incredible, dark, and delicious superfood. Black garlic isn't just a trend. It's a testament to how a little time and patience can create something truly special. It's an ingredient that bridges the gap between amazing flavor and powerful health benefits. It takes something that's already good for you, garlic, and transforms it into something even better, making it richer in antioxidants and easier for your body to use. It's healthy eating that feels indulgent. Think about all the easy ways you can start using it today. That simple black garlic butter on your morning toast, that flavor-packed vinaigrette on your lunch salad, that rich umami depth in your dinner pasta. These aren't complicated chefy techniques. These are simple, everyday swaps that can make a huge difference not only in how your food tastes, but also in how you feel. It's a small change that delivers big rewards, making every meal a little more exciting and a lot more nutritious. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet to be healthier. Making healthy choices should be delicious and fun, not a punishment. Black garlic is the perfect example of that philosophy. It encourages you to get in the kitchen and play with your food, to discover new tastes and textures. It proves that ingredients that are incredibly good for you can also be the most delicious things on your plate. It's a way to nourish your body while also treating your taste buds to something uniquely sweet, savory, and absolutely unforgettable. It's food that loves you back. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or browsing online, I want you to look for it. Pick up a bulb of black garlic and give it a try. Mash it, chop it, spread it, and taste the magic for yourself. For its incredible, one-of-a-kind flavor and its amazing superfood benefits, black garlic is one ingredient that absolutely deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. It's a simple step toward a healthier, more delicious life. Now get out there and get cooking.